Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Play Store error 403. The error 403 means access to download the app is forbidden. This usually happens due to conflicting Google accounts on your device, proxy conflicts, or corrupted cache data. The first fix that you can try is head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, and then scroll down to find Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the storage and cache of Google Play Store and try downloading again. The other thing that you can try is removing and re-adding your account. For that, head over to the Google app on your device, tap on your profile icon, tap on manage on your Google account, tap on manage accounts on this device, and then from here you can tap on your Google account and remove the account from your device, restart your device and log back in to your account. This may sometimes solve your problem. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to settings on your device, tap on network and internet, and make sure that no private DNS or proxies are on your device. If the problem still continues, then you may have to contact Google support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.